Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. All the cart flour 75 cents, but this is all hollow. So I just wanted to see what I could grab new and, after Christmas, all 50% off. Yes, on set, rocking right up front. Oh, these are pretty. I'm gonna grab a couple of these in the cart. Here comes Santa Paws. Oh, that's so cute. Santa Paws, and I believe in Santa Paws. Those are cute. In the cart. I love the barn door, so I'm gonna pick that up. And this is the single tree. Oh, I like that too. In the cart. Oh my goodness, this is full of glitter. Deck the halls and merry and bright. Oh my goodness, Miss Girl. Here are the long ones down here. Isn't that pretty? That's so pretty. There's a lot of glitter on it. Christmas cottage. I love this bag with the tag on it, like a stamp. That one is cute. In the cart. I grabbed the green one, right? Here's the red one in the cart. This is all Valentine's Day. Oh, let me come over here. Yeah, these are fun. All of these, throw some cookies in there or whatever you're doing. Take them to the workplace, right? I gotta put my egg bites on here. So yes on that. These are rocking now. Oh, I love these. They're so pretty. I don't even remember seeing these through the season. Joy to the world. I'm gonna grab a few of these in the cart. I grabbed the bigger ones, right? Why not? And then this one. All right, I did all of Christmas, I feel like. I'm in the Valentine's Day. I love you cherry much. Oh, they're making these part of the holiday. So I'm gonna grab two more, one of each, the Fireball and the Cinnamon Toast Crunch in the cart. The chocolate is up here. All of this, I wonder. Yeah, if it's not, I'll put it back, but I'll see. Yes, on all the New Year's Eve. So I feel like now I'm seeing everything, right? The shots. They're calling them tumblers. We're going to call them tumblers. And here are the gold ones up here. Those are pretty. In the cart. The wine glasses, right, is 4 in here. These we saw. Those are pretty. So this is, okay, it's $3, the tissue paper. So this is what's rocking in the plus section that's on sale. Look at Taylor Swift. Yeah, I was one plush throw left. It's this one. I like that. In the cart. Oh my goodness. This is Easter. Look at them bunnies. I'm not ready. Let me turn. Oh, these are on the ends. The Skintimate dual-sided facial brush. Isn't that so pretty? That purple 2-in-1. It cleanses and it massages. So the purple, this one right here, and then the pink is rocking. I think we are good to go. Yeah. Casper, Checkers, Fanta, Elvis at the top. Okay. J-Babe, Sleek Edges is rocking. Tease and Brush. So that's here and this one. I haven't seen either one of these. Girl, look at all these peeps. Oh my goodness. Dr. Pepper, Sour Watermelon, Tropical Punch. That's funny. Look at these 3 in a pack. The Luminant. Toothbrushes include hygiene covers. Aren't they pretty? They have like specks in them. Very neutral. This is the soft brush. I just picked these 2 up by Be Pure. The floral lip gloss with the coconut scent. And the vanilla scented with those flowers in there. Isn't that so pretty? And they're so tiny. That's adorable. I think that's what that says. Coconut oil and glycerin, the cleansing toner pads. Oh, get out of here. Hydrates and soothes the skin. It's 40 in here. Like, I feel like this was part of another package or something. I don't know. It seems weird. Like, it was like 3 things. You know what I mean? Like, is this part of it? Face toner. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like everything else we saw over here, the eyeshadows are rocking. Oh, look at these. Did we see the one with the hearts? We may have, but yes on that. I did pick up this one. The smiley faces. This yellow stood right out. Oh my goodness. This is by Freeman. It says new. It's a glow serum and makeup primer. Yeah, vitamin C, enhanced pigments. Get out of here. So that's rocking. The Alice in Wonderland, the lip balm. Now this one I haven't seen, but I don't know if it's old or new. I feel like I'm seeing things that look familiar, but I'm not sure. But that packaging is fire. Oh, nice. I did see this, but I saw it at checkout. I didn't actually see it in the aisle, all the good. So the Vapor Rub, yes on that. Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. I'm in a vestibule. Isn't that what they call it? So all the Christmas stuff is gone. They back to cups and plates now. Oh, they're prepping for Valentine's Day and Garden Find. So that's going to be rocking next. I see all the boxes. Yes, the shades are back. Some straws and things and boxes. 150, right? Some of the things that we would get for like classmates, right? Softy at heart. Now that is adorable. With the donut top. Oh my goodness. Yeah, these are cute. Throw a little gift in there. Hello, Valentine. And then this one with the bike. That is adorable. XOXO. More of the bigger boxes are up here. Let me pull one down. Oh, nice. I'm glad I pulled it down. So throw all the cards in there, right? That is adorable. Happy Valentine's Day just for you. Caught it. Oh my goodness. Bubbles and little fidgets and things over here. And then the pot holders and all of that, right? The oven mitts. Let love grow. Yeah, so all of this is rocking. I can't wait to see what's out this year. You better stop it on that recordable greeting. You're my best friend. Oh, is that what it says? Love songs, be my... What is wrong with me? I didn't drop it, but I almost dropped it. I need both of these. That is adorable. In the cart. Oh, look at these cards. We go together like a burger and fries, right? A rainbow and a unicorn is here. Oh, that's different. That's cute. I think it's just those two. 52 things to get to know each other. Some hearts in there with some things on them. So that's cute. Oh, here's another one. A year of date nights. It's 8 cards and things. I see the balls are in there. That's different. That's kind of cute. Oh, look at that. The pins, right? And the card. Oh, that's adorable. I like these. Girl, I was on the floor. I had to stand up. Oh my goodness. The eyeballs. What's that say? You're all I see, Valentine. Oh, that's funny. And this one right here. They're all super cute. Look at these band-aids. It's 18 in here, translucent. It's the tattoo style ones. This one and this one up here. Girl, that is funny. It's a ton of stuff over here, but I think as I'm scanning that, yeah, we're good to go. Okay, yes, on the socks. So you know the last Dollar Tree, it kind of ended abruptly because my camera died. I was like, are you serious? So that happened. But yeah, I think we're good to go on the socks. Strawberry shortcake, Heinz, Eggo. Okay, Betty rocking. All right. Antisocial Grouch Club. That's the first time I've seen that one. Oh my goodness, that's kind of cute. What's this? The villains? Yes on that. Yes, but Kara's all set, right? Because she had the villains for Christmas. But yes on that. I love those. Remember I said in the last DT that because these were with the after Christmas stuff, it was regular price. So yeah. I feel like I'm out of touch with Dollar Tree, but not really. Not too much new out, so maybe in the next week or two for me if there is anything new. Oh, look at the s'mores. So I saw Hershey's. I picked up a couple of those, but here's the s'mores rocking. It's only 3 and those are the only ones I see too up there. Yeah, no new cleaning or anything, and I know it's a ton of stuff out there I haven't seen yet. Okay, quick and fast in here, right? I'm just gonna grab the 2 cassette tapes. I feel like the next time I come, they'll have the Valentine's Day stuff out. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here. I'll see you soon. Bye. I was walking out the door. This is what's left with the Christmas good 50% off here. Oh, they had more than that first Dollar Tree I was in. Like all the tops up here, which are fire. Like all the colors too. So that's nice. But yeah. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.